I'm Dr. Ho, teach TESOL like a pro.
Today, we're heading around the island where learning meets fun. This is Gourmets in Taiwan, a classroom tabletop game that gets students moving, speaking, and actually enjoying review time. It's reusable, customizable, and classroom tested. Swap out the question cards to fit any subject. It saves time, saves money, and keeps things fun. Version 1. Points-based gameplay. Each student gets a colorful pawn and places it on score point 5 because, let's be honest, someone's going to miss their first question. Use rock, paper, scissors to decide who goes first. Roll the dice, move your piece, land somewhere delicious. Taipei 101. Pick a card and answer in 30 seconds. Get it right, earn 2 points. Get it wrong, lose 1 point. Eluanbi Lighthouse. Pick a card and answer in 30 seconds. Get it right, earn 1 point. Get it wrong, lose 2 points. Beef noodle soup. Nutritious and satisfying, you earn 2 points. No questions asked. Bubble tea. Too sweet and no grammar. You lose 2 points, no questions asked. Police station. Uh-oh, caught speeding. The police hold you back. Skip 1 turn, no questions asked. Land on start. Earn 1 point, no questions asked. Then continue your island journey in the next round. The teacher decides when the game ends. The highest score wins and earns the glorious title of Gourmet Champion of Taiwan. Version 2. Money-based gameplay. Same game board, same cards, but this time, it's all about the money. Each player starts with NT $3,000, and one student becomes the bank manager. This version turns your review session into a mini economy lesson. Correct at Taipei 101. Take NT $1,000 from the bank. Incorrect? Pay NT $500 to the next player. Eluanbi Lighthouse. Right answer, NT $500. Wrong? Pay NT Taipei 101. Next player. Beef noodle soup. Collect NT $500. No questions asked. Bubble tea. Pay NT $500 to the next player. No questions asked. Land on start. Bank gives you NT $1,000 chapter. No questions asked. Then continue your island journey in the next round. Same energy, same review, slightly more financial risk. Classroom tips. Assign a group leader at each table. Let them manage materials and help track scores. Reward them with bonus points or candy. It's inexpensive and highly effective. Stick to an English-only policy during the game. Students can practice using phrases like, roll the dice. Whose turn is it? You won? And count your money. If someone slips into their native language, just deduct a point or fine them with play money for fun. Plan for 30 minutes total. 5 minutes for setup, 20 for gameplay, 5 for reward time. Prizes can be anything from midterm bonus points to lollipops. It works like magic. You can use this game with any subject. Grammar, science, business, biology, math, history, you name it. Just swap the cards. All ages, all subjects, all fun. Looking to bring one to your class? Scan the QR code to discover more of our classroom-friendly tabletop games.